The Huntington Library. The Huntington is a place where our literature and natural world coalesce to provide transformative experiences and also knowledge. Children's Garden at Huntington Library. It is a place where the garden's interactive sculptures, engaging plants, water features, and other playful elements create an enchanting environment, where kids can disappear into a swirling bank of fog, catch water in a whirlpool, exploring a tunnel illuminated by prism-diffracted sunlight, or kids can feel the pull of the Earth's magnetic energy. It is a very fun place for kids to explore nature. The Huntington business hours, Wednesday through Monday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. This place is closed on Tuesday. Picnics are not permitted on the grounds.